Welcome back to another video, Useless Builds. This one, we do another tool review. I haven't done one of these in a while. Temu Tools reached out to me to do another video, and they gave me a credit to just kind of buy what I want off their site. So I just bought a bunch of stuff, and well, they gave me a bunch of stuff, and I'm going to review it, post some videos on it. This time, instead of doing the long video like I did last time with a bunch of different tools, I'm going to do not a bunch, but a few short ones. Maybe like 3 or 4 videos I'll do on tools. But this is the first one we got here. This is it's a lockout kit for breaking into a car, essentially. If you were to lock your keys out, you can get into your car easily. Let's get into opening it up and let's see what's in it. So, right off the bat, we got some plastic bags here. We got to get all this stuff out of here. Let's see what we got. Looks like we got some air bladders for opening up the door. That's what it appears to be. Interesting that they're not already hooked up. Kind of tight getting on there. So that's not fun. But seems to work. Let's see if the release valve does. Yep, release valve works. Alright, that one's good. Looks like it comes with multiple bladders with multiple pumps too, which is kind of cool, so you don't have to swap the different bladders out. Let me give this a little bit of Useless Builds lubricant on here. Make it a little easier this time. Alright. Another bladder. So that's 2 bladders. Then we got this funky wedge tool. It's like shaped kind of like a pickaxe almost. We got a bunch of pry tools. I mean, this is like a whole pry tool kit. Holy cow. Look at this. Just a bunch of trim tools with a metal one in the middle. Kind of nice. That's convenient. What else we got in here? Oh, and then we got the, I would say that's going to be it. Plus you get the bag. The last one's going to be all the extensions, and looks like it comes with a little wrench. So you got your main handle for fishing down in there. Looks like it comes with a regular hook. Then you got a kind of bendy boy, which is, this one's my favorite one. This is one I've used a lot. I don't really have luck with this one too much, but this one's pretty good. So let's see what these tools are that it comes with. It comes with little wrenches, and it looks like little adapter, or these are the union pipes for the rods, depending on what size rod you need. You thread that on there. Then you would thread one onto here. I guess you could tighten these down with these wrenches. It looks like you got a wrench that goes in there, and then I guess it's just for the 2. Yeah, looks like it's just for the 2 rods. If you need like the super extendo thing, I don't think I'll ever need that extra rod, so we'll just get this put on here. Alright, then we got the lockout kit all together. It's good and tight. Nice. Alright, so we got our arm all together. Just take a moment to say I appreciate you guys being here. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to hit the like button. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Stick around for more. Also, if you want, there's merch down below if you want to buy any merch. But not a whole lot. Still working on some of that stuff. It's trying to do more comedy shirts than like actual just promotion of my YouTube. I think it'd be kind of cooler to have like funny shirts versus just promoting. But if you have any ideas, feel free to leave a comment down below for a funny shirt idea. I'm definitely open to offers. Or just leave a comment down below saying why you were here in this video. Were you bored? Were you sleeping? Were you, well, obviously you can't comment if you're sleeping, but did you just happen to stumble across the video, or did you actually want to watch my video? Leave a comment down below. I appreciate you being here. Let's jump on over to the car. I'm going to put the camera down inside the car, then we'll lock it, shut the door, and we'll try to break into it and see if we can get in. Alright, so I got you in the car here. There's a little bit of visual there, just a little better. So we'll go ahead and lock the door. Door is locked. Break in. Well, that was super easy, so I definitely can say that this kit works really well. That was unbelievably easy. It took me a matter of minutes. Let's show you where I put the pry tool in so you can see that there's also no damage. So, as you can see, there's a little bit of scuff right there, but nothing like crazy. Probably would just buff right out. No scratches here. No scratches here. Maybe a little bit of a scratch right there on the plastic, but nothing crazy. So, I'd say that worked pretty good. Nice. Alright, so I wanted to be able to show you from this perspective too. See, the door is completely locked. And we'll get the wedge tool out. It's this wedge tool. Shove it down in the top here. This will kind of be able to get you to work the door open enough, and then you can slide it in, get in there real good, and then you can take your bag. I've been using the thinner bag, but I'm going to try and use the bigger bag this time and see if this one works. It is kind of nice and hard around the edges, so it actually works in there pretty good, unlike some other bags I've had in the past that are really hard to get in there. So let's see if we can get it in. And if you look at it, one side has a corner and one side's just rounded. So you can use the corner to kind of work your way down inside. And for the most part, I mean, it works really good. This one went right in. Let's get the door open. I usually go until the wedge is pretty much loose. See the door is slowly opening up. Now we can see straight in there. Now we'll take our hook tool on our arm. Make sure it's good and locked in place. I always put bends in it, makes it a little easier. But, oh, this bends the wrong way. Must not be tight enough. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Now my bend's in the wrong spot. Oh, well, that's unfortunate. We broke that one. Thankfully it comes with a spare rod, so let's go use the spare one. Not looking good for the Temu tool. Alright, sorry about that. Let's try that again since we broke that one tool. That's no good. That's probably my own fault because I shouldn't be prying on it while it's screwed in with those weak little studs. But we'll just throw her on up in there. Get in the door, turn it. Oh, missed it. there it is. And that's how you open the door with the lockout kit. You know, I'm going to be honest with you, even though I broke that one piece, which is kind of my own fault, because I shouldn't be bending on it, I'd say probably a pretty good tool, actually. If you need one of these, pretty cheap, you can get it off Temu for dirt cheap. I think it was like 20-something bucks shipped to the door. So, nothing crazy. I'm pretty happy with that. Ignore me while I just beat the crap out of my BMW, because I don't care about it, because it's a drift car, but that's how you use the lockout kit. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe. If you want to see more in the future, I'm going to do more Temu tools in the upcoming weeks. I'm waiting for them to show up. It takes a little while for them to get here. That one got here really fast. That shipped out of a warehouse in America, came out of Portland, Oregon. And it took about 2 days for it to get here. I'm actually kind of surprised. And if you're interested in buying that, the link will be down and below to purchase it. The affiliate link does give me affiliate sales if you're interested, but if you don't want it, no problem. Appreciate you guys watching.